Sarah here, reporting on Frontline Electrical Services, a Diamond-certified electrical contractor serving residential and commercial clients in Contra Costa, Solano, and Napa counties. Our Diamond-certified research shows that President Lee Sherwood and his team have the training and equipment to take on all types of projects, from basic troubleshooting and electrical inspections to panel upgrades and complete home rewires. The company is also a Tesla partner for electric vehicle charging stations, Tesla Solar, and Tesla Powerwall. Founded in 1993, Frontline Electrical Services stands out for its expert diagnostics, detailed proposals, and strong communication skills. Mr. Sherwood says clients especially appreciate the company's detailed, transparent estimates, each of which includes line-item pricing to eliminate confusion and ensure accountability. That's our report on Frontline Electrical Services, whereas Mr. Sherwood says they don't want to just win the job, they want to earn each client's trust for life.